To talk more about the markets, we're joined by Gaurav, Bissa VP at Incred Equities, joining in with us. Gaurav, a very good afternoon to you. Let's just talk about Nifty, right? We saw a bit of a correction coming in the last couple of trading sessions. Today seems like, it's come above that 19,500 level. At this level, we have seen that it was not able to sustain in the recent times. Do you think today's move is something that is sustainable, or could we see a fall again coming in the Nifty?
Good afternoon. See, it's an interesting aspect what we are seeing in Nifty. If you look at the hourly charts, Nifty is forming lower tops, lower bottoms, which is a characteristic of a downtrend. Also, after a while, after a couple of months, we have seen Nifty finally closing below its 21 exponential moving average on daily charts. If Nifty were to close above 19,540, 550, which is where the 21 EMA is placed, then probably this upside we have seen today that can see some more momentum and it can head towards 19,700, 750. But if you are again failing to sustain above the 21 EMA, then the profit booking may again set in coming days, maybe from Monday, Tuesday, we can see a fresh round of selling. So one Nifty is in a downtrend on short-term charts. Second is below 21 DEMA. So till these two are not nullified, there will be some pressure at higher levels.
Right. And Gaurav, talk to us about your top picks in this market.
Yeah. So the first recommendation, both are actually buy recommendation only. The first recommendation I have for today is a buy call on Ashapura Mine Camp, where we have seen a very strong consolidation breakout happening today. Volume participation is quite robust and it's trading about all short-term as well as medium moving averages, implying that the trend is extremely strong. One can keep a stop loss of 180, buy Ashapura Mine Camp for target of 205. Second recommendation would be NBCC, which again is showing a very interesting pattern. It has given a multi-year breakout on weekly charts, a triangle pattern breakout. It made a retest and now it's forming a fresh swing high. So this makes it all the more lucrative. One can keep a stop loss of 45 and play for targets of 51.
Right, and Gaurav, that pharma space, that defensive side of play seems like that's working out. And when you look at it, YTD also, Nifty Pharma has done quite well. Yesterday also, we were seeing that pharma names all buzzing in trade. What is the view on this pharma name? Anything that you are finding interesting in this pharma pack?
See, we have been bullish for a while now on pharma. There was an ascending broadening wedge support at 12,000, 12,500. We came out with a report for our clients as well on that part. It's now giving a fresh breakout, a candle pattern breakout, 8-year breakout. So if Nifty Pharma closes above 15,000 on a monthly basis, it can head towards 30-40% gain in next 1.5 to 2 years, even more than that. So we are very bullish on pharma. We are using declines to add. We had bought many of the stocks earlier, so we are not adding fresh at this point in time. Probably Eris Life Sciences is what we have recently added. One can even buy, keeping a stop loss of 800, target of 900. That will be short-term buy. But what we are using pharma is for longer-term picture, where we are seeing a very strong outperformance as well as a strong upside in Nifty Pharma names. Whether we are talking about large-cap names like Lupin or Sun Pharma for that matter, Dr. Reddy on decline. So we are using. We are waiting for declines to add more, but overall the view for pharma is extremely bullish.
Right. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for that perspective. Let's quickly move on.